Let's talk about cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the technology that deals with the protection of information from cyber attacks and from threats. It uses practices such as encryption, firewalls, and network security to protect the communication of information in between the different systems within the manufacturing process. Cybersecurity can be implemented in numerous places in smart manufacturing. One of the most important ones is anomalies detection, the capacity of the system to understand it is under a cyber attack or a threat in order to activate another function of cybersecurity, that is the containment of the threat, whether it is a numerical threat or a physical one. More and more recently, to enable transparency within the smart manufacturing realm, we are using blockchain to secure the information and to clarify and make sure it is transparent. And that's what cybersecurity is.